So this question is from GATE 2019 Electronics. It was of 2 marks and it is based on phase modulation. So the question says that the baseband signal MT shown. So this is the baseband signal MT which is shown, and this signal is phase modulated to generate phase modulated signal phi of t equal to cos of 2 pi fct plus k into mt. Now it says that the carrier frequency is 50k and the value of k is 10 pi. Then we have to find the ratio of minimum instantaneous frequency to maximum instantaneous frequency. So the angle of phase modulated signal phi theta t is given to us as, this is the angle of the phase modulated signal, 2 pi fct plus k into mt, k into m of t. Now the instantaneous frequency is given by fi of t is equal to 1 upon 2 pi d by dt of theta t, this angle, differentiation of this angle. So if we differentiate it, then fi of t, the instantaneous frequency fi of t will be equal to, if you differentiate it, then you will get 1 upon 2 pi and 2 pi fc plus k into d by dt of mt. This will be the value of the instantaneous frequency which we get after differentiating this theta t, 1 upon 2 pi into 2 pi fc plus d by k d by dt of mt. So if we divide by 2 pi here, then we get fi of t is equal to fc plus k upon 2 pi d by dt of m of t. Now fc is given as 50k, so I can write 50k here. And k is given as 10 pi, so 10 upon 2 pi will be equal to 5. 10 pi upon 2 pi will be equal to 5. And d by dt, so differentiation means the slope of the message signal. So we have to find fi maximum, we have to find the ratio of fi minimum to fi maximum. So fi minimum will be obtained when the slope is minimum and fi maximum will be obtained when the slope is maximum. Fi minimum will be obtained when the slope is minimum, because all the other things are constant. 50k is constant and 5 is also constant. So only slope can vary. So for fi minimum we have to find the minimum value of the slope, and for fi maximum we have to find the maximum value of the slope. So now these are the two straight lines which we are given. This is the first straight line, this is the second straight line. So this is obviously a rising straight line. So this will give positive slope, and this is the downward falling straight line because this is going down, because this is rising up and this straight line is falling down. So the straight line which is going down will give the negative slope. So the minimum slope will be equal to d by dt m of t. Minimum slope will be equal to, we have to find the slope. So from 1 minus 3, the final value is minus 1 and the first value is 1. So it will be equal to minus 1 upon 3 minus 1. The final value is minus 1 and initial value is 1, and the final time is 3 and initial time is 1. So minus 1 upon 3 minus 1, and time is in milliseconds, so 3 minus 1 milliseconds. So it will be equal to minus 2 upon 2. So it will be equal to minus 1 upon 1 millisecond. So this will be equal to 1k. And now, so this is the minimum slope. It will be equal to minus 1k, because minus 2 upon 2 is equal to minus 1 upon 1 millisecond. So minus 1k, because time is given is millisecond. Now the maximum value of slope will be, this was the minimum value of the slope. the maximum value of the slope will be obtained for the positive slope. So the maximum value of slope will be d by dt of m of t. So the final value is 1 and initial value is -1. So 1 minus of -1 upon the final time is 1 and initial time is 0. So 1 minus 0 millisecond. Because final value is 1 and initial value is -1. So 1 minus of -1. So it will be equal to 2 upon 1 millisecond. So it will be equal to 2k. This is the maximum slope. So Fi minimum will be equal to 50k plus 5 into minus of 1k. 50k plus 5 into minus of 1k, because minimum slope is minus 1k, and Fi maximum will be equal to 50k plus 5, and Fi maximum slope is 2k. So it will be equal to 2k. So this will be equal to 50 minus 5k, 50k minus 5k upon 50k plus 10k. So this will be equal to 45k upon 60k. So the answer will be 0.75. So the ratio of the minimum instantaneous frequency to the maximum instantaneous frequency is 0.75. So just first we used the angle to find the instantaneous frequency. Then the instantaneous frequency was obtained was 50k plus 5 into d by dt of mt. So the minimum frequency will be obtained when we use the negative slope, and the maximum frequency will be obtained when we use the positive slope, because this mt signal consists of two slopes. One is negative slope and this is positive slope, because the line is going upward and this line is going downward. So this is how we find the slope of this signal, and we find the ratio of the minimum instantaneous frequency to the maximum instantaneous frequency. So if you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment box, and please like and share the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you and best of luck.